Welcome to my class of cloud computing. Today we will learn about virtualization structures, tools, and mechanisms. Using virtualization programs, our network assets usage of network asset is improved. We increase network scalability, create a durable network which is easily managed, allow for launching of new network and services in a much shorter span, and more importantly, lower the cost of development. Virtualization can reduce the cost of managing a network in many different ways. For example, cost will initially drop by deploying fewer mechanisms, and as a result, fewer mechanism requires less power, meaning lower cost. With virtualization, the cost of computer hardware will be rounded, as application can run on a single machine without a need of multiple machine and constant hardware upgrades. The goal of virtualization is to collaboratively utilize the IT resources such as storage, processor, and network to maximum level and to reduce the cost of IT resources, which can be achieved by combining multiple idle resources into shared pools and creating different virtual machines to perform various tasks simultaneously. The resources can be allocated or altered dynamically. Users should be conscious of basic techniques such as emulsion, hypervisor, full, para, and hardware assisted visualization while using visualization in a cloud computing environment. In fact, virtualization is a relatively old concept, but it has gained more popularity over recent years. Virtualization is not only used in business orientation environment but also in education. It is believed the use of virtualization in education dates back to the year 2002. Virtualization program requires computer with lots of memory and CPU power, which they were very expensive at that time. Thus, use of virtualization was only practiced by commercial enterprises. However, nowadays computers can easily handle and run virtualization programs. As a result, everyone with a personal computer can enjoy the benefit of virtualization. To answer the changing needs, many organizations around the world are adopting to a virtualized infrastructure, and as a result the old ways of computing is diminishing. For example, Kingston University in London is changing its information technology infrastructure by throwing away old computers in order to promote a new model. Virtualization structure. Cloud computing is one of the most useful technology that is being used widely all over the world. It generally provided on-demand IT services and product. Virtualization plays a major role in cloud computing as it provides a virtual storage, can be computing devices to the cloud client, which is only possible through virtualization. The virtual machine monitors run in ring 0, which is in charge of the virtual machine. But virtualization is achieved by actively contributing contributing full virtualization and para-virtualization and hardware assisted virtualization. They are the common type of virtualization approaches which exist. We can say that there are several approaches used for virtualization, but full virtualization, para-virtualization and hardware assisted virtualization are more common methods. Cloud computing is a new business computing paradigm that is based on the concept of virtualization, multi-tenancy and shared infrastructure. A virtualization architecture is a concept of virtualization, multi-tenancy and shared infrastructure. A virtualization architecture is a summon in all the virtual rather than physical version of something, such as an operating system, a server, a storage device, or network resources. Full virtualization. In full virtualization, a technique simulates hardware behavior and characteristic, which will allow a virtual operating system to operate. The para-virtualization used it can be translated into alongside virtualization. Full virtualization provides the best security and isolation for virtual gardening. The word para originates from a Greek word meaning alongside. The para-virtualization can be translated as alongside virtualization. It simply means that the guest operating system can communicate with a software layer, which is called a hypervisor, for better performance and efficiency. In para-virtualization, the hypervisor runs directly on top of the hardware. The hypervisor will automatically assign the necessary resources to virtual machines. Para-virtualization is the ability to modify the OS kernel to change non-versatile situation. OS kernel to change non-virtualizable instruction to hypercall, which allow hypercalls to communicate directly with the hypervisor. The hypervisor is also involved in, and the time is divided, like the state of the guest OS is saved in virtual machine. Another type of virtualization structure is hardware assisted virtualization. In hardware assisted virtualization, the hardware provides the necessary support to create a virtual machine monitor, which will allow a virtual OS to run in isolation. Hardware vendors are very interested in the project and are rapidly developing new products to making virtualization an easier task to achieve. Example of any new resources, each executed in the same machine. With hardware assisted virtualization, sensitive calls are automatically captured themselves by the hypervisor. Virtual machine control blocks or virtual machine control systems become available for second best available. Next, we come to the type of virtualization which is based on virtualization structure. Another is source virtualization, since desktop virtualization, system virtualizations are often. The alarm contains the configuring, fixing, and celebrating the constants. Desktop virtualization is concerned about that having open ports and slot for USB and DVD allowed user to control allows the user to use and control. Thus, new patches of antivirus update needs to be installed on computer from time to time, and computers need to be schemed at home. There are three different types of visualizations in desk, which can be remote virtualization. Remote virtualization is where the operating system is hosted as a server and accessed remotely by a user. Local virtualization. The method of virtualization allows multiple OS to hosted on a server. Storage virtualization can be achieved using three structures. So storage, direct attached storage. In this method, data range will be directly connected to the server. This is the easiest method to give the answer. A specialized network approach which changes how a simple hard disk work. This process is based on using special hardware and software which will convert an ordinary numbers of nodes for solution. This is the structure. We call it virtualization structure. There are virtual machines which are attached with virtual infrastructure, and this is attached with network and storage. Through with all the machine in network, the virtual machine under the virtual visualized cloud model, how to machine and operating system and applications. Virtual machine monitor is a software layer that can monitor and virtualize the number of a host, machine learning or machine conferring by the execute command. The software layer creates really resources, and para-virtualization technique provides special hypercall for substitutes. The institute of a host machine consists of a system update easily. Accessing resources in para-virtualization is better than full virtualization model, since all the requirements are must be emulated in full virtualization world. The drawback of this technique is to modify the kernel of guest operating system using hypercalls. Full virtualization is being done, but it will maybe from starting of the program it is being done. Hypervisor create isolated environment. Virtualization is commonly hardware based. The hypervisor isolates operating system and applications from the ordinary name. At type 1, the hypervisor, sometimes called bare metal hypervisors, run directly on top of the host system. Bare metal hypervisors also age at type 2 hypervisor is also known as hosted hypervisor, is installed on top of the host operating system rather than sitting directly on top of the hardware as type. Each guest OS or virtual machine can ease system configuration and management. The examples of type 2 hypertension include VMware Workstation, virtual PCs, Observe, Oracle, VM, Violet, Mat. Virtualization specialization. We have completed virtualization platform or VMware. Any conversation about virtualization for small and medium-sized business actually starts around VMware. Virtualization structure. Depending on the position of virtualization layer, there are several classes of virtualization architecture. A virtualization architecture is a conceptual model specifying the arrangement and interrelationship of particular component involved in delivering a virtual rather than physical version of something, such as operating system, a server, a storage device, or network resources. Virtualization is commonly hypervisor based. This is type 1 hypervisor architecture. The hypervisor isolates operating system and applications from the underlying computer hardware, so the host machine can run multiple virtual machines as guest. Bare metal hypervisors offer high availability and resource management. Their direct access to system hardware enables better performance, scalability, and stability. Examples of fast hypervisor include Microsoft Hyper-V, Citrix Xen Server, and VMware. At Type 2 hypervisor, also known as hosted hypervisor, is installed on top of the host operating system rather than sitting directly on top of the hardware as type 1 hypervisor does. Each guest operating system or virtual machine runs above the hypervisor. The convenience of a known host operating system can ease system configuration and management tasks. However, the addition of host operating system can potentially limit performance and exposure, possibly operating system security flaws. Example of such hypervisors include Oracle VM Virtual Box. Virtualization tools. Virtualization softwares operate the same way as any other software applications. There are different tools which are used for virtualization. Once the virtualization software has been loaded, an operating system can be installed from an .iso file or installation disk. The installed operating system now runs on a virtual environment referred to as virtual machine. The main operating system becomes the host, while any other additional OS becomes the guest. Additional operating system that is installed acts like an entirely new machine. Virtualization software operates the same way as any other software application. Virtualization programs that manages the creation and operating of virtual machines are referred to as hypervisors, which we have earlier discussed. Some virtualization product may also use the CPU technology virtualization extension to increase the performance of virtual machines. This is referred to as hardware assisted virtualization. The main advantage of virtualization is the reduced cost, since there is less hardware to be deployed. Others include centralized management of several resources on one machine and flexibility in the creation of a hardware agnostic computing environment. A few tools are it is symbolically represented. These all are virtualization tool of different companies. GANETI is a cluster server management tool developed by Google. It is built on existing virtualization techniques like KVM, XEN, and other open source software. For GANETI to work, virtualization techniques software must be pre-installed on the surface. For GANETI to work, virtualization software must be pre-installed on the server. Another virtualization tool is KVM. KVM is kernel based virtual machine. KVM is an open source virtualization tool for Linux and contain virtualization extension. It can either be operated in emulsion of software mode. However, without the CPU extension, the overall performance will be poor. Despite the fact that it is designed for some hard purposes. KVM has a decent management interface that enables users to perform action like launching and stopping virtual machine. Another virtualization tool is OVIRT. OVIRT is a virtualization tool used to create virtual data centers. OVIRT manages storage options, virtualized network, and virtualized machine using interactive and easy to use web-based administration and use portal. OVIRT supports several advanced virtualization features. Packer. Packer can be used by system administrators to build them, subsequently manage the operations of virtual machine again. Next type of tool is Packer. Packer can be used by system admins to build them, subsequently manage the operation of virtual machine images. Vargent. Vargent is a command line tool that provides a framework and configuration format for creating, managing, and distributing virtualized development environment. These environments can live on the computer or in cloud and are portable between Linux. Vargent has a differentiating feature. VirtualBox is an open source cross-platform product that is currently under the stewardship of Oracle. XEN is a hypervisor that started out as Microsoft-backed startup at the University of Cambridge. Virtualization mechanism. This is the diagrammatic representation of virtualization mechanism. These are end users. End users interact with application software, and application software is connected with operating system. With operating system and application are present in virtual machines. So different virtual machines which consist of operating system and applications are related or are connected to virtual infrastructure. This is the mechanism of virtualization. Virtualization platforms, VMware. Any conversation about virtualization for small and medium sized business usually starts from VMware. Citrix. An average user may not recognize the company name but has a good shot at previous knowledge of their popular remote access tool GoToMyPC and GoToMeeting, which is one of the popular online teaching learning devices. Oracle, this company just keeps getting bigger and bigger, specializing in marketing software. They also offer database management, cloud storage, and customer relationship management software. Thank you for watching.